Hello and welcome to Azurewala YouTube channel. We are in How To series. Today we will learn about built-in roles in Azure. Before we proceed with today's topic, I would like to inform you that we are providing online instructor-led hands-on Azure trainings. If interested, please feel free to reach me on this WhatsApp number. The objective of this lab is to understand Azure built-in roles. And this lab is aimed to understand the concept of Azure-based built-in roles. In this lab, we will understand about Azure role-based access control. We will understand what can we do with the Azure role-based access control and how we can view the role definition. For this purpose, we will be using Microsoft Azure Portal as our lab tool. Let's first understand what is Azure role-based access control. Access management for cloud resources is a critical function for any organization that is using the cloud. Azure role-based access control helps you manage who has access to Azure resources, what they can do with those resources, and what areas they have access to. Azure role-based access control is an authorization system built on Azure Resource Manager that provides fine-grained access management to Azure resources. Now let's discuss what can we do with Azure role-based access control. Here are some examples of what you can do with Azure role-based access control. We can allow one user to manage virtual machines in subscription and another user to manage virtual networks. We can allow DBA group to manage SQL databases in a subscription. We can allow a user to manage all resources in resource groups such as virtual machines, website, and subnets. Further, we can allow an application to access all resources in resource group. Now let's discuss about role definition. A role definition is collection of permissions. It's typically just called a role. A role definition lists the actions that can be performed, such as read, write, and delete. Roles can be high level like owner or specific like virtual machine reader. On left hand side you can see we have some of the built-in roles like owner, contributor, reader. On right hand side the role definition is shown for contributor role. So like actions, we have all the actions a contributor can perform. There are some not actions or deny actions which cannot be performed by contributor. Let's see how we can list down all the Azure built-in roles. Follow these steps to list all roles in Azure portal. Step number 1, in Azure portal click all services and then select any scope. Scope is, for example, we can select subscription here. We are in Azure portal. We can go to subscription from here, or we can type the subscription in search bar as well. Or we can go to subscription from all services and subscription, and we can go to our subscription. Step 3, in left pane we'll click on access control. Step 4, we'll click on roles tab and see list of all built-in and custom roles. Under our subscription we'll click on access control. Under the access control we have roles here. We will click on the roles. All of these are built-in roles. Next we will learn how to view role permission and definition. To see permissions for particular role in details column, click view link. So we'll click on the view link. So for example, we have contributor role here, and this is a brief description of contributor role. If we minimize the left pane, we can view entire row. To see the permissions for particular role, In the details column, we'll click the view button. So we'll go to, for example, if we wish to view the details of contributor role, we'll go to details column and we'll hit view button. From here we can see for the contributor built-in role what are the permissions. Step 4, click on JSON to view role definition in JSON format. If we click to JSON, we will be able to view all the permissions in JSON format. So all the actions are permitted. These are not actions for contributor role. That concludes our lab. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. I hope this video was informative for you. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, press the bell notification icon. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next video.